Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And today we will read the remaining question of miscellaneous exercise 4th. Next question number 16. Prove that a plus b plus c minus c minus b minus c a plus b plus c minus a minus b minus a c plus a plus b is equal to 2 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Okay, left side LHS is equal to a plus b plus c minus c minus b minus c a plus b plus c minus c minus b minus a c plus a plus b. By operation R1 operation R1 plus R2 and R2 operation R2 plus R3. So R1 plus R2, it means row first, row second, row third. R1 plus R2, R1 a plus b plus c plus R2 minus c, c cancel out. It means a plus b R1 minus c plus R2 a plus b plus c minus c cancel out. It means a plus b minus into a plus b. Okay. Similarly, R2 operation R2 plus R3 minus c plus minus b. It means minus common b plus c. A cancel out, b plus c, b plus c. R3 same to same, minus b minus a c plus a plus b. Okay, taking out a plus b and b plus c common from R1 and R2. Okay, is equal to a plus b into b plus c into 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus b minus a c plus a plus b. Okay, taking out a plus b and b plus c common from R1 and R2. Again, by operation R1 operation R1 plus R2. Okay, 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 1 0. Is equal to left side a plus b into b plus c is into R1 plus R2 0 to 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1. Okay, minus b minus a c plus a plus b same to same. Okay, on expanding along R1, a plus b into b plus c 0 something 0 minus 2 into 2 2 minus c minus a minus b minus c plus a plus b minus 1 is equal to a minus b into 1 plus b plus b cancel out. Okay, minus c minus a minus minus plus, it means 2 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Right side. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proof. Question number 16 complete. Next question 17. Prove that a minus b minus c 2a 2a to b b minus c minus a to b to c c minus a minus b is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. Left side is equal to a minus b minus c 2a to b b minus c minus a to b to c c minus a minus b. Okay, by operation r1 plus r2 plus r3, by operation r1 plus r2 plus r3. LHS is equal to r1 plus r2 a minus b minus c r1 plus r2 to b plus r3 to c, r1 r2 r3. Okay, a minus b minus c plus 2b plus 2c minus b plus 2b b, it means a plus b minus c plus 2c plus c, so it means a plus b plus c is equal to r1. Similarly 2a plus b minus c minus a plus 2c is equal to a plus b plus c. Similarly 2a plus 2b plus c minus a minus b is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, r2 and r3 same to same. To b minus c minus a to b to c c minus a minus b. Okay, taking out a plus b plus c common from r1 is equal to a plus b plus c into 1 to b to c, 1 b minus c minus a to c, 1 to b c minus a minus b. Okay, row r1 1 1 1, it means by operation c1 minus c2 and c2 operation c2 minus c3. When r1 is equal to 1 1 1, then c1 operation c1 minus c2 and c2 operation c2 minus c3 is equal to a plus b plus c into c1 minus c2, 1 minus 1 0, c1 to b minus c2 b minus c minus a, b plus c plus a to b minus b, it means a plus b plus c. Okay, 2c minus 2c 0. Again c2 operation c2 minus c3, c2 c3, 1 minus 1 0, b minus c minus a minus 2b, c2 minus c3, c2 minus c3, it means minus common a plus b plus c into 2c minus c plus a plus b, it means a plus b plus c. Okay, c3 same to same, 1 to b c minus a minus b. Okay, taking out a plus b plus c common from C1 and C2. C1 a plus b plus c, C2 a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. It means a plus b plus c whole cube into 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 1 to b, 0, 1, c minus a minus b. On expanding along R1, on expanding along R1 is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube LHS into 0 minus 0 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 1, leaving the corresponding row and columns of element 1. 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, minus 0, 1 minus 0. It means a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to right side. Left is equal to right, hence proof. Okay. Next question. Question number 19. Prove that one A B C A cube B cube C cube A cube B cube C cube is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into A plus B plus C. Okay. Left side. 1, 1, 1 A B C A cube B cube C cube. When row first is equal to 1, 1, 1, then by operation C1 operation C1 minus C2 and C2 operation C2 minus C3. Row R1 1, 1, 1, then C1 operation C1 minus C2 and C2 operation C2 minus C3 always. Okay. Is equal to C1 minus C2, 1 minus 1, 0. A minus B, A cube minus B cube, 1 minus 0, B minus C, B cube minus C cube, 1 C, C3, colon C3 same to same. Okay. By formula A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube is equal to, because A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Okay. Apply the formula A cube minus B cube and B cube minus A C cube. Next is equal to LHS is equal to 0 A minus B into A minus B A square plus AB plus B square, 0 B minus C and B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square, 1 C C cube same to same. Okay. Taking out A minus B into B minus C common from A minus B and B minus C. Sorry, C1 and C2. C1 and C2 is equal to A minus B into B minus C. 0, 1, a square plus ab plus b square 0 1 b square plus bc plus c square 1 c cube. Okay, on expanding along r1, left is equal to a minus b into b minus 0 0 minus 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1 b square plus bc plus c square minus a square minus ab minus b square. Okay, is equal to a minus b into b minus c. b square cancel out. bc minus ab, it means b common, and c minus a plus c square minus a square. Apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to c minus a into c plus a. Okay, bc minus ab, b common, b c minus a plus c square minus a square, c minus a into c plus a is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a common, c minus a into a plus b plus c. Okay, left side, and LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, question number 19 complete. Next question 20. Question number 20. Prove that question number 20. Prove that determinant is equal to 4abc. It means left is equal to right. LHS is equal to something by operation applying R1, R2, R3. R1, R2, R3 are multiplied by R1C, R2A, R3B, and we divided by ABC. Okay, apply R1, R2, R3 are multiplied by R1C, R2A, R3B, and we divided by ABC. Determinant left is equal to LHS is equal to divided ABC into R1 multiplied by C. It means A square plus B square, C square, C square. R2A, A square, B square plus C square, A square, B square, B square, C square plus A square. Okay, again operation R1 minus R2 minus R3. Okay, is equal to 1 upon ABC. R1 minus R2 minus R3. A square plus B square R1 minus A square minus B square. It means 0. C square minus B square minus C square minus B square. C square cancel out. It means minus 2B square. Similarly, minus 2A square. Okay, A square b square plus c square a square, r2 r3 same to same, b square c square plus a square. Again taking out taking out 2 common from r1 and operation r2 operation r2 minus r1 r2 plus r1 and r3 operation r3 plus r1, okay, is equal to 2 upon ABC, 2 upon ABC common from and operation r2 plus r1, r2 r3 and r1 r2 r2 plus r1 a square plus 0 minus b square minus a square same to same, okay, r2 plus r1 a square plus 0 a square c square minus b square plus c square, b cancel, c square 0 b square 0 c square, okay. On expanding along r1 is equal to 2 upon ABC into 0 plus b square a square c square minus 0 minus a square 0 minus b square c square, okay, is equal to 2 upon ABC into 2 a square b square c square is equal to 2 for a b c cancel out is equal to 4 a b c, left is equal to right, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.